Good morning everyone. My name is Swasti Ganesh Bhagwat from class 4B. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 8 January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Jannat Kasingagan. I am studying in 4th D class. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is the earth never stops turning, teaching us that persistence is the key to progress. This thought highlights the importance of continuous efforts. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya Sarunke and I am Harshita Sad. We are here to tell you today's importance of the day. So today we celebrate Earth's Rotation Day. Every year on 8 January this day is observed. Why do we celebrate the Earth's Rotation Day? It is to appreciate and understand the rotation of our planet, which is responsible for the cycle of day and night. This day is observed on 8 January to honor the scientifically discovery by Leon Foucault in 1851. But who was Leon Foucault? Leon Foucault was a French scientist who proved that the Earth spins using a device called the Foucault in 1851. Now, I will tell you 3 facts about Earth's rotation. First, Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. Second, this rotation is responsible for the cycle of day and night. Third, it spins at a speed of about 1670 km per hour. Good morning everyone. I am Sharvin. And I am Virat. And we will add to the information shared. Do you know what if Earth stops rotating? Yes, without rotating, one side would face the sun constantly and it will lead to extreme heat. And then the other side could be in completely darkness and would be completely frozen. My goodness, then the earth should never stop rotating and the life will always be safe. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize that we should protect natural resources. We should reduce light pollution and enjoy the stars. We should always practice sustainable habits. Earth's rotation reminds us to value the small constant efforts in life. Wish you all a